Hello friends, thanks for visiting my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and never miss any update. Hello, welcome back again, and today I will talk about how to get a custom URL of your YouTube channel. So if your channel is eligible, you can give fans an easy to remember web address called a custom URL for your YouTube channel. This is called a custom URL and looks like youtube.com/your custom name. So currently you are using a big channel URL which is not friendly to remember, so you can get a custom URL from YouTube. So in this tutorial I will show you how to get that. So first you have to check that your channel is eligible to get a custom URL. As you can see, you can claim a custom URL if you meet the general eligibility requirements. So make sure you have 100 or more subscribers, be at least 30 days old, have an uploaded photo as a channel icon, have uploaded channel art. So you have to at least 100 subscribers, or your channel at least 30 days old, or you must uploaded your channel icon and channel art, then you are eligible for a custom URL. So let's go. I will show you how to get a custom URL from the account area. Okay, to get a custom URL of your YouTube channel, you need a web browser which is called Google Chrome or Opera Mini. You can use any other similar web browser from your device. So in the address bar, you have to type youtube.com/features and wait for the page loading. Once the features page is loaded successfully, make sure that you are enabled desktop mode from the desktop mode option. As you can see, the desktop site option is currently switched on for me, so make sure you also enable that option before going to the further settings page. Once the page is loaded, simply find the option which is called custom URL and click on enable. Once the page is loaded, simply find the next option which is called you are eligible for a custom URL. Claim it here and click on here. Once you click on here, there will be a pop-up displaying in front of you. Here's the pop-up that is currently displaying by YouTube, and the username is displaying as a suggestion to me. So I am happy with the username because my channel name is tutorial page and YouTube is already suggesting me with that name, so I do not need to enter any extra word with it. If you want to add suffix after that username, then you can choose the second option from the drop down. YouTube will show the same type of pop-up in front of you when you will try to change your URL on YouTube. So I'm not going to change anything here because I'm happy with the word which is called tutorial page. The URL will be youtube.com/c/tutorial page. So I will click on I have read and agree to the custom URL, and I will click on change URL. And YouTube will again ask you confirm custom URL. Are you sure you want to change your public URL to youtube.com/c/tutorial page? Once you confirm this custom URL, you can change it again or transfer the URL to someone else. That means you cannot change if you click on confirm button. So before clicking on the confirm button, make sure you are happy with the username because this cannot be changed later. Okay, so I'm clicking on this confirm my choice. It's working. The process is still working. Okay, youtube.com/c/tutorial page. Okay, that's working and it's perfectly working. So I'm really happy after changing my URL to from a long URL to a abbreviated URL, and it looks really fine. So I can share this URL to anywhere so that people can find me on YouTube because it's so good and so abbreviated. So I hope you will find this tutorial very useful, and this is the tutorial for today. If you like this tutorial, please share this tutorial to others so other people can learn from this tutorial and other new YouTubers. In any case, if you want to remove your custom URL that you have created earlier, if you want a new username, but if you are not happy with the current custom URL, then you can remove your current custom URL from YouTube, so that but you cannot change it. So you can remove your custom URL from YouTube. So what's the process? You can remove a custom URL from your channel up to 3 times per year. This deactivates the URL so that it no longer directs viewers to your channel. So to remove your custom URL, sign in to your YouTube and go to your about me page. Select the account with your YouTube channel. In the top right, you may have to click all of your brand accounts if your account is not in the list. And 3, find your current customer URL under sites and click edit. Next to the URL you want to remove, click on the cross icon and click OK. So if you are eligible, you can claim a new custom URL after removing the current one right away after removal, but it may take a couple of days before the previous custom URL stops directing to your channel. And also, you cannot claim a new custom URL from the about me page. If you want to claim a new custom URL, you need to meet the general eligibility requirements and follow the steps above. So that's all for now, and that's all for today. If you have any query regarding custom URL, and if you need any help regarding that, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to reply to all. And thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day.